is one of the greatest inventions of all time, the air conditioner. And what makes it even greater is that it's portable, making it one of the greatest inventions of all time. Let's get it out the box. Let's break it down. Today, we're featuring this powerful 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner designed to cool rooms up to 750 square feet. Whether you're dealing with a hot living room, bedroom, home office, apartment, basement, or even a garage workspace, this unit is built to help you stay comfortable when temperatures start climbing. Not everyone can install a traditional window unit. Maybe you're renting, maybe you have windows that don't work well with standard AC units, or maybe you simply want the flexibility to move your cooling solution from room to room. That's where this unit really shines. First, let's talk about power. With 14,000 BT units of cooling performance, this unit is designed for larger spaces. When the heat outside is unbearable, you want something that can make a noticeable difference quickly. This isn't a tiny desk fan that's just pushing warm air around. This is real cooling power designed to help lower the temperature in larger rooms and create a more comfortable environment for your family. And what I really like is that this is more than just an air conditioner. You actually getting 3 functions in one machine. You have your cooling mode for those hot summer days. You have a dehumidifier mode, which is fantastic because humidity can make a room feel even hotter than it actually is. Pulling excess moisture from the air can help your space feel fresher and more comfortable. And then you also have a fan mode for everyday circulation when you don't necessarily need full cooling. So instead of buying multiple appliances, you're getting 3 useful functions built into one compact unit, hence 3-in-1. Now let's talk about convenience. One of the biggest advantages of this portable AC unit is right in the name, portable. Take a look at the wheels on the bottom. The built-in 360-degree rolling coasters make it easy to move from room to room. Maybe you're working in your home office during the day and want cooling there. Later, you can roll it into the bedroom before bedtime. That flexibility is something homeowners and renters really appreciate. And the setup process is pretty easy. This unit includes a window installation kit that helps vent hot air outside. Most people can get everything connected quickly without needing specialized tools or professional installation. Once it's set up, you're ready to enjoy cooler air. Let's talk about controls. Nobody wants to walk across a hot room every time they need to change a setting. That's why this unit includes a remote control, allowing you to adjust temperature and settings from across the room. Whether you're relaxing on the couch, working at your desk, or already comfortable in bed, the controls are right at your fingertips. You also get a 24-hour programmable timer. This feature can be incredibly useful. You can schedule the unit to start cooling before you get home from work or set it to shut off automatically after you've fallen asleep. It gives you more control over comfort and energy usage. Speaking of sleep, let's talk about sleep mode. If you've ever tried sleeping in a hot room, you know how uncomfortable that can be. Sleep mode is designed to provide a quieter and more comfortable experience during the night so you can rest easier while staying cool. Another feature that often gets overlooked is maintenance. Nobody wants a machine that's difficult to keep clean. This unit includes a washable and reusable air filter. Instead of constantly purchasing replacement filters, you can simply remove the filter, clean it, and put it back in place. That helps keep airflow moving efficiently while helping maintain cleaner and fresher air. Let's quickly go over what you're getting. You're getting a powerful 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner, coverage for rooms up to 750 square feet, 3 functions in one unit, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan operation, easy mobility with built-in rolling wheels, a convenient window installation kit, remote control operations, a 24-hour programmable timer, sleep mode for nighttime comfort, and a washable, reusable filter for easy maintenance. All right, you guys, so we are approximately in a 600 square foot room, and that's a pretty big room. 600 square feet is pretty large. And right now the temperature is 78 degrees, which is pretty hot. So I'm gonna turn this portable air conditioner on. I wanna set it to 71 degrees, and we're gonna see how long it takes to cool this room down to 71 degrees. So So it took about 50 minutes to cool the room from 78 degrees Fahrenheit to 71 degrees Fahrenheit. But keep in mind, the room stays pretty shaded, so that probably helped. After using it for a few days, I found that it does what it's supposed to do. It cools the room effectively and gives you the flexibility to move it where you need it most. Like any portable air conditioner, its performance will depend on the size of the space and the conditions in the room. But overall, it delivered exceptional results in my experience. This is the Garvee portable air conditioner, model number CF14T. I hope this video was helpful. If you're in need of a portable air conditioner, I will put some affiliate links down below. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And stay cool. Bye.